Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting ways to make money online in 2026. AI influencer affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive equipment, and you don't even need a big team. AI can do most of the work for you. AI influencer affiliate marketing is when you create a virtual personality, an AI-generated influencer, and use that influencer to promote products. Every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Simple, scalable, and super powerful. Now let's talk about the tools that make this possible. First, we have Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield AI is perfect if you want a realistic influencer style. It helps you create human-like characters that look natural, expressive, and relatable. This is great for Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, or even YouTube Shorts. Your audience will feel like they're watching a real person. Next, we have Synthesia. Synthesia is more focused on a clean, professional look. It's ideal for explainer videos, product reviews, or educational content. If you want your AI influencer to look like a business presenter or a tech reviewer, this is the tool you should use. Here's a simple step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose a niche, like fitness, tech, beauty, or finance. Step 2. Create your AI influencer using Higgsfield AI or Synthesia. Step 3. Generate content, product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations. Step 4. Add your affiliate links in the description. Step 5. Post consistently on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Now you might be wondering, why does this actually work? Because content is king and consistency wins. AI allows you to create content faster than ever before. You can post daily, test different ideas, and scale what works, all without burnout. Don't just sell, build trust. Make your AI influencer feel real. Give it a personality, a story, and a niche audience. That's how you turn viewers into buyers. So yeah, AI influencer affiliate marketing is not just a trend, it's the future. If you start now, you can get ahead of the competition and build a powerful income stream. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.